Welcome to our How to Get a State Job series. In this video, we will guide you through submitting a California state job application. If you haven't already, check out our video on how to search for a job on CalCareers. If you have already found one or more that you are interested in applying for, then it's time to fill out your application. Your application, which is also labeled as an STD 678, can be saved to use for future examinations and positions you're interested in and can be continually updated. Just remember, an STD 678 state application is required when applying to state examinations and positions. A resume cannot take the place of the STD 678, but may be requested as an additional document. To get started, click Apply Now and begin your electronic application. First, you will be prompted to confirm your eligibility for this position. If you have already taken the necessary exam or assessment and received confirmation of eligibility, click I have eligibility. If you still need to obtain eligibility or are unsure of your status, follow the prompts on the screen for further guidance. In another video, we go in-depth explaining the purpose of exams to help address any questions you have about this part of the application process. You'll need to log in, and then you'll have the option to choose between using an application template or starting with a blank application. Today, we will be focusing on completing a blank application, so go ahead and click Use Blank Application. Before we begin, here are a few quick tips for navigating the application site. To advance to the next pages, click Save and Continue. To revisit different parts of the application, click the section title on the left-hand side of the page. Remember, any questions marked with a double asterisk are required to submit your application. First, you will be directed to the Equal Employment Opportunity page where you can provide demographic information about yourself. This page is optional and can be skipped if you prefer not to complete it. Next, you will answer general questions about your eligibility basis, the job title you are applying for, and other questions related to state employment. Now, let's enter your personal education history and professional experience. It is crucial that you fill out each section completely and accurately. You can include both paid and relevant volunteer experience in your application. When describing your experience and previous job duties, try to closely align your experience with the information provided in the duty statement and the desirable qualifications in the job announcement. Remember to hit Save after every entry to prevent losing any information. Lastly, you will reach the application package page. Here is where you will upload any required or optional documents, such as your resume, statement of qualifications, also known as a SOQ, transcripts, or certifications. You can also refer to the job posting or application package checklist to ensure that you have included all the necessary documents. Including all required documents is crucial to your application being considered, so pay close attention to the application instructions. Once you have reviewed your application, uploaded all required documents, and confirmed that everything is complete and accurate, you can submit your application. When you have finished reviewing, follow the directions to submit your application. In most cases, you can submit your application online by clicking Submit My Application Electronically. You can discover more helpful tips for the job application process by exploring our How to Get a State Job series. Whether you're watching this video individually or as part of the series, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. We also want you to know that we have additional resources to help. You can visit the Help Tutorials page, located on the top of the CalCareers website, to access tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a glossary of commonly used terms. If you need further assistance or have any questions that are not addressed in these resources, visit calcareers.ca.gov/help.